Hey guys, it's Jeff with Simply Derivative, and here's today's daily recap video. We're going to start with the S&P. It's Wednesday, the 23rd of May. Today was Fed Day. We had minutes come out for the Fed meeting. Just looking for some indications of whether or not they're going to raise or have to raise more than they previously thought or stated, whether it's going to be 3 or 4 rate hikes this year. So that was the whole thing with the Fed minutes today. As you can see, the markets rallied up. They were down about 20 in the morning on the S&P and the ES. We were down about 20, and then we rallied to close up about 5. We hit a level on the 240-minute chart, or got pretty darn close to it, and just held that from overnight. And so it's continued up, pushed all the other markets up. Nasdaq has been strong. Actually had a nice reversal out of this daily area. Right around 68.27. So we're probably going to bust above these highs that we've been trading in this range, at least for the NQ. Maybe you're going to follow suit on the Russell. The Russell was interesting yesterday because it did put in an all-time high and then reversed and closed lower. And it looked pretty good this morning in terms of the shorts getting some further movement down. But basically all we did was bounce off the previous highs and rally back up with the rest of the market. So we're going to see how this plays out the rest of the week, if in fact this is a short-term or intermediate-term reversal top right here on the Russell, which will bring everything else down, or are the rest of the markets going to play catch-up. Another market that we were looking at today, we usually look at, is going to be VIX. It got slammed pretty hard today. In the morning when the S&P was down about 20, VIX was up in this 60-minute level, this 240-minute level, up at 1450. And as you can see now, we finished and we're down at 1250. So $2 move to the downside on the VIX. They crushed premium today, so we're kind of back to that old low VIX, stuck in a range, drifting higher in equity. So we're going to look for that. See if that's going to change in the next couple of days, what the dynamic will be going forward. The dollar continued to rally up until the minutes came out, and then it pulled back a little bit, but still staying elevated. So you saw pressure on gold early on, and then it reversed. Same thing with copper as well. So that's about it. Bonds actually did reverse and pushed yields lower. And so that's something else that we're going to be paying attention to going forward. Other than that, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on social media, and we'll see you next time. Have a good one, guys.